Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Let's get straight into today's video. We are going to be making hair oil. We all know how important it is to seal in moisture with oils. You will need fenugreek seeds, black seeds, and cloves. I will also use oils such as sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil. Again, make sure that you use the oils of your choice. You do not necessarily have to use the oils that I use. You know your hair best, so use the oils that work best for you. All the measurements for today's video can be found in the description box. And for those of you that are not new to the channel, you already know that we have worked with these ingredients in the past, so no need for us to go through their benefits. But all I have to say is that they all aid in hair growth. So after combining everything together, I am going to go in with the vegetable glycerin. This part is very important, so make sure you add this oil. After everything, I will also add my vitamin E oil. You could wait till after it infuses to add the vitamin E oil as well as the vegetable glycerin oil, but I just wanted to add everything right now and let it infuse. So we're not going to use these oils right away. What we're going to do is let them infuse for a while. So you can let them sit for 2 days, a couple weeks, a month, however long you want to let it sit for. So after a few weeks, I went in and added Bantana oil. I've heard so much about this oil, so I went ahead and added a few drops, closed it back, and let it sit for a few more days. In total, I let this oil infuse for about 3 weeks, almost a month. Now I am going to strain it. Honestly, it didn't really have any smell. So I wouldn't really tell you it smelled bad, it had a bad smell, or it had a good smell. So now before I strain it, I am going to add one of my favorite oils, which is peppermint oil. So after I add my peppermint oil, I am then going to strain it. But guys, look at this. It is really pretty. Okay, now when straining it, if some cloves or some black seeds or some fenugreek seeds goes into your oil bottle, it's okay. It's just going to give you more nutrients actually. But I'm using a funnel to strain mine, and as you see, like the cloves fell in, but they're not actually going to go into my oil bottle. This is how it looks like at the end of the day. I ended up with 2 little bottles of oil, and guys, I am so happy with these oils. If you do attempt this, please make sure that you are not allergic to any of the ingredients that I used. You can always substitute it for something that works best for you. That is something you should keep in mind. Using my cheesecloth to strain as well, because at some point to get all the oils, I needed to use the cheesecloth. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Go ahead and try it. For those that really want to try it, let me know how it goes. Also, feel free to let me know what type of content you would like to see on this channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.